Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing 24/7. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change password in Picsart. To change password in Picsart, first of all you'll need to open the Picsart application or go to Picsart website on your web browser. From the first homepage, click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, click on Edit Profile on the next page. From the options, click on the Password tab and type in your current password in the text box. After typing in your current password, click on Next. Now you'll get to create a new password for your account. Type in the new password in the first tab and re-enter the password in the next field. Finally, click on the Change button in order to change your password in Picsart. Once you change your password, you'll then need to use the same password that you updated to while logging in with your email and password in Picsart. So that's how you easily get to change your password in Picsart in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.